नमस्कार सभी को. Let's look into this topic where we will be solving questions of oversubscription, debentures oversubscriptions. Numerical questions I have taken in this video. As you can see, I have divided this board into two sides, into two parts, where the left part belongs to the lump sum and the right part belongs to the installment. So lump sum and installment, that represents when the company issued debentures, it is at the company's discretion how they are asking for the money. In lump sum basis, that means only in one stage, and in installment basis where there are 2 or 3 stages of calling the money. Your first stage is your application, then your allotment, then first call and second call. This is just the mode of asking for the money, right? So if let's first take the lump sum case, that means the entire amount is paid on the first stage only. There is no another stage. In the first stage, entire amount has to be paid. So as you can see the question, X Limited issued application for 3000 debentures that contains 12% rate of interest. Face value is 100 rupees at a premium of 50 rupees per debenture, and whereas application received for 4000. This two lines clearly state that it's a question of oversubscription when company issued only for 3000 whereas application has been received for 4000. So in that case, there is an 1000, as you can see there is an excess of 1000, so this application for 1000 debentures were rejected and application money were refunded. So we have to pass the entry accordingly. All the conditions is given to you. Now how to do that question? As you can see, the journal entry, bank account debited to debentures applications and allotment account. So in this, how much amount we have to write? Always remember, the first entry belongs to the receiving entry. So it doesn't matter how much debentures has been issued. You have to take into account the exact amount of amount you are receiving. Like application you have received for 4000 debentures. So 4000 multiplied with 150. Why 150? 100 rupees is the face value and 50 rupees is your premium. So entire amount is 150. 100 plus 50 is 150. So 4000 debentures multiplied with 150. That gives you 6 lakh. Second entry, debenture application account, debenture applications and allotment account debited, this 6 lakh with 6 lakh to 12% debentures account, to security premium reserves account and to bank account. So when bank comes into the debit side, that represents receiving. When bank comes in the credit side, that represents the outflow of money. So why outflow of money? As you can see in the question, application for 1000 debentures were rejected. So let's look into here. To bank account, why I have done? Because question asks that 1000 debentures has to be rejected. So this 1000 debentures multiplied with 150 rupees, that gives you 1,50,000. To security premium reserve account, we have a premium of 50 rupees. So 50 rupees multiplied with 3000 debentures, 1,50,000. And to 12% debentures account, 3000 debentures multiplied with 100 rupees each. So this gives you 3 lakh. 3 lakh plus 1,50,000, 4,50,000. 4,50,000 plus 1,50,000 gives you 6 lakh. So thing which you have to remember here, when you credit 12% debentures account, this 12% debentures account, in this account you have to enter the original amount. Original amount means how much company has applied, okay, multiplied with face value always. Security premiums, the actual issued debentures multiplied with the security premium amount, which is 50, given clearly in the question. Whatever the excess amount balanced remains, that will be refunded to bank account. That is why bank account is credited here. Now look into the working note. Total debentures issued 3000, whereas application received for 4000. So there is an excess of 1000. So total received amount, face value is 100 rupees, premium is 50 rupees. Total received amount is 6 lakh. How? Because 4000 debentures, total received, okay. Total received 4000 multiplied with 150. Here 150 how? Face value plus premium. Whereas total issued amount, total issued debentures were 3000. So 3000 multiplied with 150, that gives you 4,50,000. So when you deduct 4,50,000 from the 6 lakh, you will get 1,50,000, which is your excess amount. The question says that application for 1000 debentures were rejected. So this 1,50,000 will be rejected and refunded. Therefore, bank account has been credited in the second entry. So this is how the question, when it is asked for the lump sum. Now let's look into the installment. How to solve the installment questions. The question says X Limited issued 10,000 9% debentures, face value 100 rupees at a premium of 10%, payable 25 on application, 35 on allotment including premium, and the balance on first and final call. Application were received for 15,000 debentures. Allotment was made on pro rata basis, excess application being used towards allotment. So the question very clearly states that total issued debentures were 10,000 and those debentures are containing 9% of interest, their face value is 100 and the premium is 10%. So this premium always calculated on the face value, that is 100 rupees. So 10% of 100 rupees will gives you 10. So the premium amount is 10 rupees. Now application on application, they have to pay 25 rupees, 35 on allotment including premium. So including premium, our premium amount was 10 rupees. Remember 10% of 100 rupees is 10. So if you deduct 10 rupees from 35, you will get actual amount of allotment, which is 25, and the balance on first and final call. Okay, so how much is the balance? Can you calculate? It's very easy. You have to deduct. Okay, like 25 plus 25. Why 25? Because I am excluding the premium here. 25 plus 25 is 50. 100 minus 50 is 50 rupees in the first and final call. Now the application received for 15,000. See, company had issued 10,000 debentures, but the application has come for 15,000. So this is a clear question of oversubscription. Now how to do, since the amount is called in installments. So first entry we will do bank account debited to debenture application account. This first entry always is your receipt entry. So 15,000 were debentures, so 15,000 multiplied with 25 each. On application it is 25, the rate of application is 25. So on application 25 rupees has been called. So 15,000 multiplied with 25 gives you 3,75,000. Second entry, debenture application account debited to 9% debentures account to debentures allotment account. Here, to debentures allotment account. Why? Because it is said the excess amount will be used towards allotment. So the excess amount has been adjusted towards allotment. Let's see. Debenture application amount. This amount in the first entry is 3,75,000. The entire amount will be debited here. Now to 9% debentures amount, total issued has 10,000 debentures. So this 10,000 multiplied with 25, that gives you 2,50,000. So the debenture allotment account, the balancing amount 3,75,000 minus 2,50,000, or you can say total your debentures received 15,000 minus 10,000 is 5,000. So 5,000 multiplied with 25. So this excess amount has been adjusted towards to debentures allotment account. Okay, so here if the question asks to refund the excess amount, I would have written here to bank account, but the question said कि you have to adjust towards the allotment. Therefore I have written to debentures allotment account. This is the first entry till application. Now let's look into the debentures allotment account. Debenture allotment account debited to 9% debentures account to securities premium account. This security premium account has been recorded in the allotment stage. Reason 35 including premium. So on allotment only premium amount has been included. Therefore the entry shall pass only during the allotment. So debentures allotment account debited, total debentures is 10,000 multiplied with 35 to 9% debentures. Here 10,000 multiplied with 25 and to securities premium account 10,000 multiplied with 10 rupees. Because this 10 rupees is your premium amount. When you calculate 100 multiplied with 10%, 10% of 100 will gives you 10. Therefore debenture allotment account debited with 3,50,000, 10,000 actual share entry will be taking into account. To debentures 9% debentures account to securities premium account. This is the due entry. Now the receipt entry, bank account debited to debentures allotment account. Here how much we have to enter. Remember here total allotment as you can see is